Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to be making a clean and simple card using these inks from Imagine and also using several layers of cardstock. So to get started, I'm going to use the VersaFine Clair and Morning Mist in my Misty here. And then I'm going to use these stamps from Gina Design. I believe they're called Watercolor Flower Stamp Set. I'm using this sentiment. It says, "You make my heart smile." On the gray cardstock, I'm just going to stamp it down here in the bottom right corner. The thing I like about the Morning Mist and the VersaFine Clair is sometimes you don't want to stamp in black because you just don't want that vibrant or that dark of a black. So this is nice because it gives you more of a soft gray. So there you can see how it's not a really vibrant black and gives you kind of a soft gray color. And then next, let's see. So the pink is just slightly smaller than the gray, and the white is just slightly smaller than the pink, where it's supposed to be. So I know where both of these layers are going to be just right above the sentiment. I kind of just took my fingernail and did like a little dent on the side of each one just so I have an idea of where it's at. And then I'm going to get an idea of where to layer these flowers. So I'm going to lay them all on there right now just to get an idea. Okay, so now that I know that they'll fit, it's sort of in this layout, I am going to first stamp this flower in the corner. And I am going to stamp that in the Brilliance Pearlescent Coral. And then with the stem, I am going to stamp that in the VersaFine Clair Green Oasis. Now I'm going to repeat the process with the other stem and flower. So there is my stamped image. And I went ahead and adhered the gray cardstock onto a pink cardstock layer, the one with the sentiment on it. And then I am going to do the next layer, but what I'm going to do is where that line is that I did the indent, I am going to just tear this, something like that. And I'm going to attach just the top part of this real quick onto the pink card piece that I just tore, just so I can get an idea. And I'm just going to tear it just slightly above the pink. And there it is. I added some twine and some bling, and the card is completed. A pretty clean and simple card. Thank you so much for watching. Please visit imaginecrafts.com for even more inspiration. Subscribed already to the channel, please do so and hit the like button as well. See you next time. Bye-bye.